Hello. This is a very beautiful story that I read yesterday. A king wanted to check most of the jewelers around in his place, and he deliberately mixed the glass pieces which were shining like diamonds along with original diamonds, and then he called for a challenge. He said, those of you who are capable of identifying the real diamonds and taking it out from the glass pieces, please come forward. The rewards that you will get if you are successful is immense. But then if you lose on it, you will lose your head. That was the challenge. But then there were a lot of them who were confident. They said, yes, we are capable of identifying the real diamonds and we will take it out from the glass pieces. So they all came forward only to lose their heads. No one was successful. At that particular point of time, one blind person entered the courtyard. The blind person told the king that he would be able to do the act successfully. The king was wondering, and he had already decided that he was going to be beheaded. So the king told him that when the people with eyes couldn't do it, why do you want to risk yourself? He said, no, I'm very confident. Please give the bag to me. He took the bag from the king and he went to a place, and he came 1 hour later and handed over 2 bags, one with diamonds and one with glass pieces. The king asked his experts to check on it. When they all checked on it, they were very sure that the entire diamonds were only diamonds and the glass pieces had got completely separated. This astonished the king. The king was amazed. He definitely wanted to give him all the gifts that he had promised, but then he had this inquisitiveness in him. He asked him, how is that you were able to differentiate between the glass and the diamond? The blind person told very simply, as we all know, diamond is always a diamond. A diamond's quality is persistence. Diamond never gives up. Diamond has that quality of absorbing whatever it is subjected to. So I just went back, I then opened up the bag and spread everything on a table where the sun was very hot and it was shining directly on the entire material. Later on I picked up those particles with just my senses which had got heated up, and the particles which had not got heated up, I just left them as it is. All the particles that had got heated up were naturally glass pieces and the rest were diamonds. What a wonderful theory, and how could this person have identified that particular thing? It's a matter of, great realization for us all too, my dear friends. It's a matter of great realization for all of us too. Those of us who have the capability to sustain suppression, depression, stress, and all those qualities of disappointment, anger, feeling of fear, intimidation, we become diamonds. Otherwise, we become glass pieces, reactive, getting depressed, getting worked up, getting turned up, becoming disappointed, taking on somebody, all these qualities. But then somebody asked one saint when the story was being told, but for how long? How long should we take up intimidation? How long should we take up pinpointing? How long should we take up this pointing out by others, blaming the game of blaming the others, passing the buck? How long? How long should we all take it up? I mean, isn't there a limit? We are also human beings. Why should we take it up after all? And then the saint calmly replied, please take it up till such time that you become diamonds. Till such time that you become diamonds. And once you become diamonds, naturally the quality of diamonds will not allow you to get suppressed, depressed, stressed, agonized, getting anger, getting fear, getting intimidated. Nothing of that will happen. So try to become diamonds. So my dear friends, I have started trying to become a diamond in my life. I don't know how many of you will be impressed with this video and also try to become diamonds. Let's get forth all these things that are coming up in life day to day, minute to minute, second to second. We are subjected to a lot of agony. lot of depression, lot of suppression, lot of intimidation, lot of cheating activities. So let's try to get them all absorbed in us without reacting to any one of them, without succumbing to any one of them. And God bless us all to become real diamonds in our life. Thank you so much. God bless.